welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get berry blusher sprinkler and grow a garden. Okay guys, let's get into it. To get the item, you need to do crafting. So you can go to this tent and you can go to the crafting table. You can select receipt and then you're going to select the berry blusher sprinkler. And these are the items that you need to submit to create this berry blusher sprinkler. We need grape, and then the blueberry, strawberry, and godly sprinkler. Okay, I'm going to click on this receipt and then we can click on craft. Okay, and start to submit the item. The first one is grape. I'm going to search for my grape. Wait. Okay, I'm going to submit this grape. Click on submit item. Wait. Okay, and then the next one is blueberry. I'm going to go back to this menu and search for blueberry. Okay, I'm going to submit the blueberry, and the next one is strawberry. I'm going to search for strawberry, this one, and I'm going to click on submit. And the last one is the godly sprinkler. I have already bought the godly sprinkler. Wait, it's okay, wait. Okay, this is my godly sprinkler and I'm going to click on submit item and click on start crafting. Okay, and we need 1 hour to claim the berry blusher sprinkler. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get berry blusher sprinkler and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.